MULN stock gained 15.15% in the last trading session of the 21st of June 2022 on above average volume of 102.4 million shares, and during that session it crossed above its 50-day moving average on its daily chart. That's a positive. And the news is that Mullen Automotive said Tuesday, that's the 21st of June, that advisors Isousa Holdings bought a $28 million senior secured convertible note previously set to come due on July 28 and held an affiliate of Drawbridge Investments and extended maturity by another 2 years until July 2024. So probably market participants felt that was a positive, that they've been able to secure that extension. It was positive. So what we can see is that the stock has been rallying for some sessions now. For some sessions, I think since Monday the 14th, I believe. It's been rallying since yes, Monday the 14th of June. Monday was 14th. Yeah, Tuesday the 14th. It's been rallying since that time. It hasn't really retraced. So it's been a steady rally. Momentum is improving. You can see that momentum is improving, yes, and it's not overbought at the moment based on this daily chart. Yeah, so it appears to be consolidating within a longer term downtrend, even though it appears to be rallying, but in the broad picture it seems to be a consolidation. Okay, but we have to call it a rally, so its average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have traded sideways recently. Has it really done that? Well, even though it seems to be running at the same time, it may still be construed as, if you look at it in another direction, it may still be a sideways movement. Okay, but it's also outperforming the S&P 500. The 200-day moving average, which underscores the underlying trend, is also bearish. Momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for MULN stock. And the volume for that trading session was heavier than usual, trading 104.148 million shares versus an average of 44.063 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. But we have determined a few probabilities here, and the probability that Mullen will close below $1.52 in the next trading session, which is that of the 22nd, and indeed any other session, but based on the next trading session, the 22nd, is 84.38%. The probability that it will close below that is 84.38%. This does not mean that it will most certainly close below that. It may or may not, but based on the data there, based on the price, based on the average, based on the standard deviation, based on the data available over the last 10 trading sessions, this is it. Then this is what the probability is saying. But over the last 50 trading sessions, that is with respect to that 50-day moving average, it has just crossed over. This is the 50-day moving average. It has crossed over. This blue line, it just crossed over during that trading session. Based on the data around that, the probability that it will close below it is far less. It's at 67.67%. So see what you make of all of these things. We're still maintaining our target of $3.33 concerning MULN. This is around where they had a resistance of let's see. Yes, okay, around where it had resistance around February, I think. February and March. That's around where it was then. So I was still maintaining that target of 3.33 concerning as it concerns MULN stock. So the news is that it has been able to extend the maturity of a $28 million senior secured convertible note to July 2024. So market participants cheered that, and that also came after the stock had also been rallying, been gaining gradually, even though the read that we're using here is indicating that it's more of a sideways movement. But it's been gaining progressively for a couple of sessions now, from Tuesday to Tuesday consistently. That's, call it about that will be around 5 trading sessions, being gaining. So see what you make of all of these things, and thank you very much for watching this video on MULN stock.